you will look holistically. You will not only focus on the software, but also you look on how the user actually use the system, how the outcome would be, how it's actually confirm with the organization process, business process, and so on. Right.
All right, Dr. Asma, maybe one question from me. Why is software evaluation not included in the software development life cycle? And if it is, where should it be?
It's actually we have this software engineering body of knowledge, right? So actually there's a knowledge areas, we call it software engineering management, right? So this software engineering management, software evaluation is actually part of software engineering management. So it's actually covers all the areas of in the software engineering. So starts from the development, right, until you deliver to the users, maintenance, and so on, right? So yes, it is not in the development life cycle itself because it comes after that, all right? Okay.
So can we say that it is part of the maintenance life cycle?
Maintenance. Not really, because it's more on the measurement.
Okay.
So if you look, yes, if you refer to the software engineering body of knowledge, right? There is you can check on the how you do the software measurement, right? So actually there's a different term. Some people will say assessment, measurement. So it depends on how you define it, right? Is it part of SQL? Yes, this is even if you refer to the topic as well, is software evaluation is for continuous quality improvement. Yes.
All right.
All right.
Dr. Siti Asma.
Yes.
Thank you very much for the sharing. It's very interesting. I'm just wondering, software evaluation, we know that this is important, but I think in industry, they are not really putting effort in this one, isn't it?
Yes, correct. That's why I said just in the beginning of the presentation, in the research we have a lot of people doing it, but I don't see much in the real world. So I think this is important if we can, that's why when you have some collaboration with the industry, so if you can actually promote this software evaluation, yes, that is true. Because I just, again, I want to share that during my master, right? So I did this evaluation on, so it's kind of, you do some reverse engineering, re-engineering back. So this is the ERD of their we call it, what is it, the old software, right? So after we do the evaluation, we can actually reduce, improve the documentation, for example. So what happened is you can actually somehow reduce the number of entities by 45% attributes. So you look on the quality requirements on the non-functional. So you look on the in the database, for example, for any duplication, redundancies, and so on. So you can actually improve the software. So because what you have in the software is the data is actually asset to you, right? So you want to manage that asset, right? So evaluation is can be done, right? Okay, thank you.
Yeah, but I think based on my experience and collaboration with my colleagues in Sweden and in Norway and Finland, I think they they are very much appreciating this software evaluation. So this is something that is can benefit, you know, the company. So their industry is their lab. But this is unlikely happen in Malaysia.
Yeah,
It's
because
very difficult for us to do, for example, you know, this kind of study in industry.
yeah, I agree with you, Dr. Sarima, because like because we know like people wants to produce only, so they start producing this app, developing this app, and so on a lot. But then when they think that this app or this software does not meet, they just try to like try an alternative or get a new one, develop a new one. But rather than they look again, evaluate again into look again what they really want actually, requirements, right? How it can actually fits them, right? Okay.
All right, there's one more question from Dr. Riza. In the agile approach, new tech companies use DevOps to speed up development through multiple pipeline. Do you see DevOps that is something aligned to software development?
Yes, probably because yeah, in agile you actually trying to like every day you have to um you have to to review with the team. It's like every day you have to feedback on the requirements, and you need to report what happened. So it's actually incorporate the evaluation there, right? So it actually helps in speeding up the development. So you have this like you focus on the if you look at in agile, they have what they call it. Uh, so they actually give priority on certain functions that is deemed very important. Yes.
All right, thank you. Are there any more questions from the audience? All right. Okay. So I think there's no more questions. All right. So if there's no more question, then thank you very much, Dr. Asma, for your sharing today. I hope everyone benefits from this session, inshallah. And maybe some conclusion about from you, Dr. Asma.
So I would say that yes, software evaluation is necessary. All right. So maybe we can actually I would say that it's also like a culture actually, right? When you want to do the software evaluation, it should becomes a culture to the organizations, right? So you just you will not do it like a one-time event, but you actually because you have this goal that you want to improve. Okay, so it should be some kind of culture in the organization to always evaluate the software with the usage of software in the organization.
All right. Thank you very much for the conclusion. So I hope we've learned something today. I think it is our task to inculcate this into our students, right? We need to teach them to appreciate this so that when they go to work, they can actually do this, right? Okay. So thank you very much, everyone, for joining the session today. Let's end our
Dr.
session.
Hafizah,
Yes,
before
yes.
that, can I make an announcement
Yes,
for the
sure, Dr. Zul.
next research seminar? Okay, so tomorrow we don't have any research seminar because tomorrow is the holiday for our Muharram. The next seminar will be on Wednesday, 11th of August. The title of the research seminar is a discourse on value proposition design that will be given by Brother Jamaluddin Ibrahim. So the time for the talk is 10 to 11 a.m. So hopefully we can see you again. All the audience are invited to the research seminar talk, inshallah. Thank you, Dr. Hafizah.
All right, thank you, Dr. Zura. So don't forget to sign in your attendance. The link is given by Dr. Adamuddin in the chat box. All right, let's end our session today with Tasbih Kafarah and Surah Al-As. Right. Thank you, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.
Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, Dr. Siti.
Thanks, everyone. Thanks, Dr. Hafizah, Dr. Asma, also Dr. Adamu, and Dr. Amin somewhere helping out. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.